Okay, in this part of the course, the financialisation of everything, or how value is being digitally extracted from everyday life, I'll be looking at some of the work that's happening in my own research centre and with some of my colleagues, focusing more on fintech here. So I'll be talking in two videos with Julia Cook about aspects of gamification and gimmicks in fintech, then talking about some of the work that she's led on how these, particularly things like Afterpay, buy now, pay later, depoliticize the idea of debt and make kind of the financialization of everyday life more normalized. And then in part three, we'll be talking to Roger Burrows about his work in the UK on ordinal housing and the way that kind of rental markets are increasingly relying upon open banking and ordinal kind of rankings to see who can get in the door to even inspect a rental property or get access to a mortgage, that have kind of um, made inequalities even kind of more obvious, but kind of less policeable in many ways in terms of the way those markets work.